Check-in. 1. Perfect location and beautiful garden. I love the location. The hotel is very quiet and it has a beautiful garden, very relaxing. The restaurant in the garden was great. We enjoyed our stay at Ambassador Garden Home. Special mention to Vikesh, I think that was his name, or very similar. He was the receptionist and he is such a cheerful guy, always smiling. I love to see him around. Fabulous, perfect location. Very helpful staff. What a warm welcome after a long drive from Pokhara. We arrived late, but they were there to welcome us with tea. We had to leave very early to make it to the airport, and they got up, carried all our bags to pack the taxi, and packed us a breakfast. Plus the rooms were gorgeous. Service, comfort, location. Fantastic hotel right in the heart of Tamil without ever realizing you were right in the heart of Tamil. Beautiful decor, very comfortable rooms, but the best part about this hotel are the staff. From now on, whenever I'm in KTM, I'm going to Ambassador Garden Home. Good place for stay overall, is clean, is a good location for stay. Staff are so friendly. Check-in and check-out process is easy and fast. We'll stay again. Excellent stay. This was our first time visiting Kathmandu and we couldn't have been happier with our choice of hotel. We stayed at Ambassador Garden Home for a total of 7 nights. Mr. Bicky and his entire team were extremely kind and helpful, meeting every single of our needs. They were very accommodating. My flight arrived into Kathmandu at 2 a.m. in the morning and they were kind enough to let me check in early. We had breakfast and lunch and they were always very delicious. The hotel is right in the heart of Tamil, with great restaurants, cafes, bars and shops. Even with the hotel being in such a busy area, once we were inside, we escaped all noises and it was always peaceful. We will be back very soon. Nice hotel. Good location, almost center of Tamil area. Welcome fruits, complimentary of mini bar. Kindly staffs. However, no any hot water for shower. And breakfast place is almost open air, we must wear down jacket every time. Cannot watch any TV channel. Others wear very good. I don't care these problems. Great place. It's a fantastic place. Tucked away from the busy Tamil. Central yet quiet. The breakfast that's included is very generous and delicious.